Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, it's all about the SMT10 monster truck that we converted to a trail rock crawler. So, a lot of people say it couldn't be done. They say, nah, you can't make that work. But you can make anything work if you put your mind to it. You gotta get your weight biased right. I mean, you gotta do a few things. Get your gearing right, just so it'll work. Check out the video. Let me know what you guys think. And stay tuned to the end, where I'm gonna give you my thoughts about this, on the conversion, on how hard it was, and what parts we used in it. That one, you're not gonna believe. Let's go ahead and get into it. Man, that was an epic run. Now, this thing, on a skill level 1 to 10 on converting this thing over to a trail rock crawler, I'm gonna give it a 5. It's pretty easy. Shorten links, transmission. I'm gonna show you guys. You guys are gonna laugh about that one. Axial SEX10-2 transmission. This one's actually got the Enjorna transmission, a $20 transmission I did a review on. If you guys want to see that one, check in the top corner. I'm gonna put that video up there when I did the review on that one, testing it out and everything. So you guys don't want to miss that one. You guys might like that. Axial SEX10-2 links for 313 millimeter. So just shorten the wheelbase up just to 313. It was kind of wide, long. I really didn't think that's gonna work right, so I shortened it up. I thought maybe the belly, the center transmission area is gonna be a hang up. It was in a couple spots, as you guys seen in the video, but if you put the wheels in the right spot, you can do anything. What else? Loosened suspension. Ended up putting 130 millimeter dual spring shocks on it. Softest springs I can get, and you guys seen it flexes, it works, it does what it's supposed to do. It's definitely a skill level to be able to drive this, being as big as it is and as tall it is. But dude, I think we did all right. You guys seen in there, it did roll and crash, but it landed right back up on its wheels, and I just kept on going, but decided to pick it up and put it back and try it again. It's definitely a challenge. Let me go ahead and get you up into this thing. I'm going to show you a little bit of everything, and I'm going to explain the one downfall that I need to change on this truck. Well, two really, but one majorly. The other one's visual. Alright, let's go ahead and get up close to it. Alright, SMT10 on the workbench. Now, the visual is this body. This thing's got to go. Just looking for the right thing. Beartracks RC had a comment, which I kind of like that idea. It's a Suburban. It's an actual trail truck. Do a Suburban look, or Jeep Grand Cherokee, kind of like Lee's RC, or do something completely off the wall and different. I don't know yet. Maybe you guys can give a comment down below on what you guys think. Tires, I think they're okay for now. They seem to be alright. They're decently soft. I mean, nothing real hard or anything about it. There's some shocks I was telling you guys about. I'm going to go ahead and get this lid off. And you guys see, it's still an SMT10 chassis underneath there. Nothing's been changed on that. Battery in the back, running a single 2S. Running a Ghoul RC, ESC, and motor combo, brushless, 12 turn. There's the Axial SEX10-2 links, 313 millimeter. And yes, that is an Axial SEX10-2 transmission. That is the one out from Enjorna for $20. Can't beat it. It bolts right in. No modifications, no nothing. Awesome. Axle mount servo. That means we're 4 linked up here. It's got the metal axles, so I've got weight down below. Unsprung weight. So much better. That helped. As you guys can see, it helped. And you see how much movement this truck has got. It's got nice loose suspension. Really helps. We don't do a lot of speed runs. I mean, if we do, we get some torque twist out of it, but that's going to happen. We got motor sitting right in the center. Of course, it's going to twist a little bit. But one thing I do need to change is I had the same issue with this in the drag car. My issue is, you guys seen in the video on how it skipped. It was real hard to get a nice smooth acceleration. think I'm going to do a new motor and ESC combination. And just going to throw it out there. If somebody wants to make a donation for a motor and transmission, you guys are more than welcome to. Email is in my about information on my YouTube page. Check it out. Send me a message. If you guys want to donate something to me, it can be just a brushless ESC, or we can go brushed in this thing. I don't mind. Whatever you guys would like. Just let me know. Send me a message. I appreciate it, guys. We're going to catch you on the next episode. Have a good one. Be safe.